Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so that you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 46 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called left at the altar. This topic friends, okay? And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic and the name of the topic is It is Wrong to Marry. Sex is Evil and I Am Evil. This topic friends, okay? So friends, this is 202 number topic and the name of the topic is It is Wrong to Marry, Sex is Evil and I Am Evil. So friends, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? Some time ago, I talked to a young lady aged 22. So friends, the author Joseph Murphy is telling us some time ago, he talked to a young lady whose age was 22 friends, okay? She uh, was taught that it was a sin to dance. So friends, the author Joseph Murphy is telling some time ago, author talked with a lady who was 22 and she was taught that it is a sin to dance. Means if you are dancing, that means you are committing crime friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. To play cards, to swim, and to go out with men, even to play cards, to do swimming, and even to go out with the men is a sin, is a crime, is a sin, is a crime friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She was threatened by her mother who told her she would burn eternally in hell fire if she disobeyed her will and the religious teaching. So she was threatened by her mother. So she was told that if you don't follow these rules, you will be burned in the hell in fire, and if you disobey the religious teaching friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic friends, okay? The girl wore a black dress and a black stocking. So friends, here the girl was wearing a black dress and the black stocking friends, okay? She wore no rouge lipstick or any form of makeup because her mother said that these things were sinful. So the girl didn't wear any makeup or anything because it was said that these things were sinful friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Her mother told her that all men were evil and sex was of the devil and the symbol of debauchery. So her men said that all men are evil and the sex is devil and the simply debauchery and the debauchery friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? The girl had to learn how to forgive herself. So friends, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that the girl have to learn how to forgive herself friends, okay? And she was full of guilt. So this girl was full of guilt friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. To forgive means to give for. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling to forgive is means to give for friends, okay? She had to give up all this false belief of the truth of life and the new estimate of herself. So she used to give up all the false belief of the life and the new truth to herself friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? When she went out with young men in the office where she worked, so when this girl went out with a young man in the office where she worked, she had a deep sense of guilt and thought that God would punish her. So she was having a deep sense of guilt at the work that God would punish her, friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends, okay? Several eligible young men proposed to her. So the author Joseph Murphy is saying several eligible young men proposed to her. But she said to me, so the girl said to author Joseph Murphy. So let us see what the girl said to author Joseph Murphy. It is wrong to marry. So it is wrong to marry. Sex is evil and I am evil. So she said that it is wrong to marry and sex is evil and I am evil, friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This was her conscious or early conditioning speaking. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling this was her conscious or the early conditioning speaking, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She came to me once weekly for about 10 weeks. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that she came to him about weekly, about for 10 weeks, friends. Okay. And I taught her the working of the conscious and the subconscious mind as a set forth in this book. So, author Joseph Murphy taught her the working condition of conscious and subconscious mind in the set forth book, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This young girl gradually came to see that she had been completely brainwashed, mesmerized. So this young girl came to see that girl was completely brainwashed and mesmerized, friends. Okay, and conditioning by an ignorant, superstitious, bigoted, and frustrated mother. By the conditioning of the superstitious and the bigoted of her frustrated mother, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She broke away completely from her family and started to live a wonderful life. So after a while she completely broke her from her family and started living a wonderful life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. At my suggestion, she dressed up and had her hair at tang too. So at the suggestion of author Joseph Murphy, she dressed up her hair and had a tang too, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She took lesson in dancing from a man. So she completely took the lesson of dancing from a man, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. And she also took driving lesson, and also she took the driving lesson, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She learned to swim, also she learned swimming, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Play cards and had a number of dates. So she also played card and had a number of date, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She began to love, he say, she prayed for a divine companion. So she also began to love, and she also played for a divine companion, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic by claiming that infinite spirit would attract to her a man who harmonized to her thoroughly, by saying that the young spirit would attract to her a man who harmonized her thoroughly, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Eventually, this came to pass. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that eventually this came to pass, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. As she left my office one evening, so the author Joseph Murphy is telling as she left the office one evening, there was a man waiting to see me, and I casually introduced them. So there was a man who was waiting to see author Joseph Murphy, and the author casually introduced them, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. They are now married and harmonized with each other perfectly. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that they are now married and harmonized with each other perfectly, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So, friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called "It is wrong to marry, sex is evil, and I am evil." This topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic, and the name of the topic is "Forgiveness is necessary for healing." This topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.